everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. CVS wasn't that bad. I get to the red machine, and in the past, I've had to scan my card 4 to 5 times for have all my CRTs print off. And I scanned it, you know, they printed, and then I scanned again. It said, hey, Super Saver, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, really? So I had to go to my app, you know, and add them to my card, and it was just like, really? And then, you know, then when my receipt prints off, I have like 100 things of CRTs that print off from that. So it was just like, that was kind of crazy. And then I had one item, and I had this happen before the other day, or maybe a couple weeks ago. That soft soap. The soft soap in the ad shows that it's $3.99. My store for the last month has not had the soft soap even priced at all. And so I said, hey, this is supposed to be $3.99. She's like, no, it's $4.99. And I'm like, no, in the ad, even this picture, like I showed her the exact picture. It's supposed to be $3.99. I says, can you help me out there? And that means I don't even know if I even got my register reward for that. I should probably check. Because, yeah, I didn't even get a register reward for that. I'm gonna have to go inside and complain because, yeah, and I don't even know what we were supposed to get back, $5 back. So that totally messed up my math. So I have to figure out my math. So you guys, like that whole soft soap scenario is just going weird. So I'm still in the parking lot, so I will go run in the store and have them print me off that CRT. But that was, I just had problems with that, and it was just like, why? I just don't understand. I'm like, should I contact corporate about it? I mean, it should automatically be taken care of, but let's just shut up so I can show you guys what I got. So I ended up doing the Tresemme. The Tresemme was 2 for $8. I had $2.50 off of 8 Tresemme CRTs. None of them were working. Like I could have done 2 of them and they're like, it just wouldn't work. And I'm like, whatever, I'm not gonna fight it. So I bought 4 of these. These were 2 for $8. I had 4 off of 2 coupons. Plus I had the 3 off of 12 shampoo conditioner that I used instead. So I paid $5 for 4 of these, but then you guys would get $2 back in an extra care buck, making them $3. But then there's also a deal on Fetch Rewards where you guys get 1,000 points. So they come out to be $2 or just 50 cents a piece. So I ended up doing it that way. So you guys can definitely check that out. Yeah, I'm just so unorganized this morning, you guys. Like, it's just crazy. Okay, the next deal I did was the Schick razors. Now, these were $5.99. I used 2 printable $3 off coupons, and then I had a $1 digital coupon that I used. Plus, I also had a 3 off of 12 CRT that I used. So you guys would pay $5.97 for these, but then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making them just 97 cents. That comes up to be like 32 cents a piece. So I got 3 of those for that, and I don't know what happened to the third one. It might be in my other bag. You guys, like, this is ridiculous. Just craziness. Okay, I gotta find that other bag. I wonder if we left it at the store. Oh my gosh. You guys, seriously. Whatever. But we got that, okay? The next deal I did was the Lucerna chocolates. These were $5.69. I had a 7 off of 2 coupon. Plus I used a 3 off of 2 CRT. You guys would pay $1.38 for this, but then you get $5 back, making it a $3.62 moneymaker. So I got those absolutely for free. Sorry, I have like bags to put all this stuff in because my flood, I have like no room whatsoever. So got that. ended up doing the Olme concealer. I actually used this concealer and I wanted to get more because everything's like all messed up with my basement right now. So this was $9.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons. I also had a $5 off CRT that we received from last week. I paid $8.98 for this, but then you guys would get $4 back in an extra care buck, making it $4.98 or just $2.49 a piece. So you guys got that in case you guys want to do that. Speed stick deal. Now these were 2 for $6. I had 2 50-cent off coupons. I also had a $1 off any deodorant, and I also had a 2 off a 2 CRT that I had to send my card because they would not print. So you would pay, no, why did I write you would pay $4 for this? You would pay, I cannot do my math. You guys would pay $2 for this, and you would get $3 back, making it a $1 moneymaker. So these could be absolutely free if you guys want to do that. I also did the CoverGirl mascara deal. Now these were $6.49. You guys would do, I lost my train of thought. You guys would want to use 3 $3 off coupons plus a 3 off of 15 CRT. You would pay $7.47, but then you guys would get $7 back in an extra care buck, making it just 47 cents or just 16 cents a piece for that. So that is a great deal. And then I did with my other card, I did the, or no, those are the same ones. I just put them back in the bag. I ended up getting Hallmark cards. I got 3 of these. These are the $2 off cards. I got just birthday cards for the kids. But you guys want to use a 3 off of 3 coupon that is on CVS. You just type in coupons and you guys can find it. I also had a 2 off of 3 CRT that I used. And then I also had a buy 2 or buy 3, you get the fourth one free, but it did not work. And I'm like, whatever, I'm still getting this as a profit. So you pay $1 for this, but then you get $3 back, making it a $2 moneymaker if you guys go ahead and do that. I gotta go back and, oh, here's my other razor. I'm like, I knew I had another razor. Okay, so the soft soap deal, again, $3.99. I'm gonna have to go right back in the store because my CRT did not print off. But you guys would get these for $3.99. You guys want to use 3 75-cent off coupons. You also want to use a 3 off of 3 soft soap CRT plus a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT. You'd pay $4.72 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making these a 28-cent moneymaker. So you guys will make a profit off of those, which is a pretty good deal. And then this is a deal I figured out this morning because I'm like, wait, I could add these CRTs to this. So I ended up getting one of the scopes. This was, what was this, $5.49. And then I got the Colgate toothpaste. These were $3.49. Now, if you buy one of these, you can get a $2 extra care buck times 2. Well, I had to buy 3 of them to do this deal. So you guys want to buy 3 of them and this. You guys want to use a $1 off digital coupon for the mouthwash, and then I had a 5 off of 3 coupon that I got from coupons.com. I also had a 3 off of 12, like any like mouthwash, toothpaste, CRT. So I paid $6.96 for these 4 items, but you would get $3 back with a scope, and you guys would get $2 back and $2 back with 2 of them of the Colgate. These come out to be a what did I write? 4 cents. 4 cents for all 4 of these items. That's a penny a piece. I think that is a pretty good. Why did I write that? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, you guys, it's a long day. So that was my haul. My total came to $1.48. I used $47 worth of extra care bucks, but I'm supposed to receive 44. I gotta go back to the store to get the other 4, but I did receive $44 back. I will be getting 1,000 points when I scan my receipt for Fetch Rewards. So my grand total came to $3.48, or just 28 cents. 28 items for just 12 cents a piece, I think is a pretty great deal. Sorry you guys, I'm just going crazy. I'm just running late today. I'm kind of just taking my sweet time running late. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I will see you guys all another time for CVS. See you guys later. Bye-bye.